morning and welcome back to another vlog. Ignore my not so pretty face. Today is a busy day. I woke up today trying to fix a customer's cake for tomorrow. Today is Saturday, by the way. Saturday morning, and everybody's around. My neighbors are around, so ignore any other voice you might be hearing at the moment. Yeah, so I'm baking at the moment. The cake's already in the oven. I couldn't vlog the whole process of, preparation, baking and all of that. I want to do the decoration, to include the decoration in this vlog. I'm not making a separate video this time. Yes, so this vlog is starting up on a Saturday, so it's going to be the busy kind of day in my life, something like that, and cake decorating and any other thing in between. Okay guys, I'm baking a cake, vanilla and strawberry, and some few cupcakes. Yes, I actually want to check up the cupcakes right now because I think it's almost ready. So let's go and check it. Oh, yummy. It's a bit dark here. Let me try and bring it out so that you can see it well. Come on, you come out. Yay. The other cakes are still in the oven. Yeah, not ready yet. So these are my freshly baked cupcakes. Yeah, I'm going to have one. Let me taste it. At least let's know what we're giving our customers. Yeah. I'm enjoying my cupcake with a cup of coffee. I'm not a fan of cake. I don't know. I find it really hard to eat cakes. I prefer to taste my batter before I bake. So most times that's how I taste my cakes. Or I give someone to taste and tell me how it tastes. Something like that. So I'm going to be eating this one freshly baked out of the oven. Yeah, and a cup of coffee. Let me not deceive myself. This coffee has milk and sugar inside. I cannot deal. I love coffee, I love the smell, I love everything, but sorry, I cannot take only coffee like that. Milk has to be inside and sugar. Okay? Yeah. Let me taste this cupcake. It's not because I baked it. I mean, I know my cake tastes good. My cake tastes good. Oh my god, it's so fluffy. The sugar is the right amount. If you've not had that cakes for me, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Like, what exactly are you waiting for? You need to hurry, okay? Right now I have a promo for 6 inches cakes at 8,000 naira, double layers, double flavor for 8,000 naira. I'm going to leave the poster here. I'm going to attach it somewhere here so you guys can see. So if you're in Abuja or you have friends, you have family in Abuja, I mean, you guys patronize me, okay? Buy for them, order cakes for them on their birthday, on their special events, you know, all of that. Other sizes too are included. I mean, yeah, just let me know the sizes you want. My page will be on the screen, my Instagram page. Yeah, you can send me a DM. Order, I'm waiting for you guys. So guys, while I'm waiting for my cakes to bake so I can take them out of the oven, I want to show you guys something. The Smart Money Woman. It comes in 2 series. This is the first part and this is the second part. The Smart Money Tribe is the second part. Yeah, I really enjoyed this book by RSA. Arese Ugu. Yeah, I also heard there's a movie or a TV series about the book. I think on Netflix, if I'm not mistaken. I think I should see the movies too. The movie too. The fact that I've read the books, I think I want to watch the movie too. Let me just see how all of the characters in the book, you know, how they acted their parts and all of that. Especially Sola and Zuri. Yay! I love to see them in the movie. So the books are packed. I mean, after reading part 1, I couldn't wait to read the second part. Yeah, it's basically talking about money, how to manage money, and then it's centered around four basic characters. That's 4 ladies. No, 5 ladies, I mean. Zuri, Adesuwatami, Lara, and Ladun. Yeah, there are 5 friends, 5 ladies. I think 1 was married. No, 2 were married, and the other 3 were single. Yeah, even though at the end 1 other person got hitched. Yeah. So just telling us basically their life journey, how they're able to live together as friends, cope together, make financial what's it called now, discuss about finances, make financial changes in their lives. The ones that buy Gucci every day, the one that saves up for business, the one that invest in business and fails every time. I mean, just sharing their struggles with us. I mean, life isn't perfect, yeah, but we need to make conscious effort concerning our finances. Yes. It's packed. It's for both young, middle-aged, old if possible, because I know the old can also read this and educate the younger ones. Telling you about managing your finances, having investments, teaching you about investment, kinds of investment, the low risk ones, the high risk ones. I mean, all of that. And also will. I got to know that will is very important too. As far as you're making money every month, or you have a business that's paying you every month, the money is coming in every month, you have investments, you have all of that. Don't look at your age, just go and get a will. I mean, this book, when you start reading, you don't want to stop. Like, seriously, it's that educative and informative. I've never read a novel this packed. I mean, I've never read a novel this packed. I say, you finish work for this book, Sha. Like, my spare time, I can decide to go through again, but I hope I'll be able to buy my own copy. I want to try and get my own copy, like the 2 of them, get my own copy and also watch the movie. So if you've not read this book or you've not watched the movie, I think you should read the book first before watching the movie. I don't know, I just feel like the novel will give you an insight, will give you a proper understanding of what the writer was trying to, you know, say, or what she was trying to do in this book. Yeah, before watching the movie, you should try to read this book. So if you've not read this book, I will recommend this book. Yeah, I'm going to rate it a 9 out of 10. Yeah, me giving it 9 doesn't mean it's not perfect. It's almost perfect. Yeah, that's me giving it 9 over 10. It's almost perfect. In fact, it's perfect safe. It's just that, you know, in this life, you cannot just say something's 10 over 10. Something like that. Yeah, so get this book, young, middle-aged, old, get this book, read it. It's a great book. Overall, it's a great book. Just thought to share this with you guys while I wait for my cakes to bake. Yeah, so right now I'm just going to chill and wait for my cakes to bake and allow them cool, and then I'll ice it. looks like, the finished product. This is how it's going to get to my customer. Yep. I definitely take pictures before delivering. So I'm done. I think it's about let me check the time. Some minutes after 4. Yeah, I've been on this cake since I think 8 a.m. if I'm not mistaken. 8:30. Yeah, it's past 4 now, and thank God I'm done. And the delivery is for tomorrow morning, like I said earlier, 9 or 10 a.m. I guess. Yeah, I think 10 a.m. Yeah, so I'm taking this to the customer. It's to get delivered to her by 10 a.m. tomorrow. Yeah. So if you've not ordered your cake, your celebration cakes, what are you waiting for? Come on now. Order from us. Lovis Pastries. Yeah. Let me go and rest and look forward to it. See you guys later. Careful, sorry. They eat flowers.
There are some flowers there. Like
they eat.
They eat it.
Oh, okay.
They don't eat that one.
Oh, okay.
Human beings eat.
Those are ducks.
Yes. What big over here?
Very big tortoise. There were 2. This one killed the other one. Chai. See how big it is. I can't even go close. Oh, I'm scared. Hi guys. I'm still at zoological garden. Yeah. I'm supposed to have a meeting here later on. I delivered the cake somewhere not too far from here, so I decided to just come here and wait instead of going back home and coming out again. So I'm here. I went to see a few animals they have here, and I'm in a restaurant now to have brunch. Yeah, while I wait for the meeting time. Yeah, so that's what's up.